Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Just on the phone. My Apple Watch, sorry. Like, I can't believe I'm even saying this, but first and foremost, thank you, God. Secondly, thank you so much to Apple. I can't believe I'm actually saying Apple. Apple? Sounds like a Beyonce moment. Beyonce. Freaking Apple. Thank you so much to Apple for sending me all of these products to review, you know, to really adapt to my lifestyle and to show you guys more with Apple products, especially from a gamer's perspective. Thank you again to Apple for just giving me the opportunity, for believing in me, because you don't see many black girls really doing this tech review stuff, do you? There's only like maybe a few, 3%, but in the UK in particular, I just don't see many. So you know what, I'm like, when I don't see it, let me just start walking in it, you know. And I'm not going to be like these tech people who are going to give you bare tech jargon. I'm going to try and make sure that the tech stuff that I give you going forward on this channel is going to be easy, digestible, straight to the point, and just fits around you lot's lifestyle. So calm down, Steph. So this is just the beginning of, you know, me doing more stuff with Apple. There's a lot in the works. I can't say what, but there's a lot in the works, and yeah, I'm excited. Make sure you smash that like button, please. Let me know if you're just as excited as I am. I want to know in the comment section down below, what would you like to see? Apple is that brand, it's that franchise, it is that ecosystem that keeps people wanting more. Even if you don't want a new phone, you are the one that's going to tune in at the Apple keynote to find out what's the latest. That's the Apple effect. And for me personally in my life, like, I do a lot of stuff, especially when it comes to organization, meetings, content, whatever. Like, I use a lot of Apple products, and you know, in doing so and working with Apple, you know, reviewing their stuff and just, you know, working with them in general, this gives me a chance to actually kind of push the limits a bit more with the Apple products in regards to what more can I do with it. You know, being a gamer at heart, like, I'm going to be testing out how much Apple can really adapt to a gamer's lifestyle. So we're gonna see how the AirPods Max work, if I need to if it works on a Switch, or if I can use it on a go playing like a game on my iPad and stuff. Just, you know, I want to be able to show you guys what more you can do. You know, Apple Arcade, I'm gonna be streaming like Apple Arcade games soon. So I've been talking for way too long. Let's open this bad boy, which is back here. Okay, so first things first, obviously you guys saw that I opened the Apple Watch already. Okay, I'm sorry, I was a little too excited. Okay, but baby, if Apple was sending you something to so it's already on me, and I didn't choose this band, but we'll get into it. Right, so first and foremost, we have the Apple Watch, and this includes the Apple Watch, the band, and the charging cable. The power adapter is sold separately, so I was able to choose the Apple Series 6 with cellular data and a 44 M space, so the sizing of the face of the Apple Watch. And I chose it in space gray, which is the aluminium case, and the black Unity sports band. So it feels super comfortable, first and foremost. Let me even not cap, like, this is super comfortable. So obviously as you open it, you are basically assembling everything that you see. So they gave me the exclusive collection from their like wristband collection that they have, and it says this exclusive collection is inspired by the Pan-African flag. Red for the blood that unites people of the African diaspora and was shed for their liberation. Black for the black people whose existence is affirmed by the flag, and green for the vibrant natural wealth of Africa, the money land. The flag represents the enduring sacrifices made by generations for a more equitable world, and symbolizes a communal commitment for dismantling the systemic inequalities that diminish the civil and human rights of black people. Thank you so much. You know what's crazy? I actually asked for just the all black. So I didn't even know that there was this exclusive Pan-African flag inspired wristband, and I like it. It's cute. You know, I said it feels super comfy. I've already set it up. I have the cellular data one, so I can use it on the go. And this is going to be so helpful when I'm trying to track my fitness. And I want to see what more I can do with this Apple Watch for gaming in particular. But at the moment as well, it actually helps me track my emails. I get a lot of emails from a lot of gaming companies and brands and stuff. So, but sometimes I might not be by my laptop or PC. So it's always great to actually see it. And then if I see the email, I can answer straight on the go, or I can actually just reply to it later. In terms of like admin and productivity, this is super great if you're super busy like me. So thank you so much, Apple, for the Apple Watch. And I'm really excited. I have a feeling they're going to announce the Series 7. Anyways, but that's just my call. So like I said, I'll be doing more videos on the Apple Watch Series 6. And I'll be letting you guys know what more you can do with it in regards to gaming and just other little cool tips and tricks. Right, what's next in this box? We have the HomePod Mini. So I asked for this because I had the Google Home, and yeah, the Google Home's alright, but I feel like Google Home is that kind of starting smart pod, if you know what I mean. Like, there's better than Google Homes. You obviously have the Alexas and stuff like that, but I said, you know what, I am a very much Apple girl, so I said, you know what, let me actually try the HomePod Minis and see how well it actually accommodates to everything else that I have. I recently just bought a smart TV. It's really good. I've literally connected to my Google Home and stuff like that, but I want to be able to connect it to here. And my smart TV has the Apple TV as well, and this also connects to that. So, and I'm definitely going to see what more I can do with this. I'm definitely going to be doing a compare and comparison to my Google Home and to the HomePod Minis. Doesn't anyone else smell fresh products, or am I the only one? Comment below. What has been the best smelling tech product that you've ever smelled before? I want to know in the comment section down below. Oh, this is pretty. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Like, aesthetically, this looks so good. This looks so good. This is so pretty. So obviously you have the volume button, which is here, and I will need to configure the settings so it recognizes my voice. And it comes with obviously the USB charger, which you can't take out. So there's that. And then it also comes with instructions on how to use it. It comes with a power adapter as well, which is amazing. But I'm in awe with how pretty this is. Like, this feels like a cup, you know? It feels like a very cultural cup. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a compare and comparison with the Google Home that I currently have. I actually also had the Amazon Alexa downstairs. So my mum has the Echo Dot, and then she also has the tall one, which we put in the kitchen. So I can actually just do all three, or I can just do 2 separate videos. But I might do 2 separate videos, or all 3. We'll see. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna be doing comparisons. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Okay, so next, the 4K Apple TV that they have kindly sent for me to review. I remember showing my mum earlier this week, and she was just like, so what, can I start using it? I was like, yes, mom, you can. But this is really cool because, again, this is one of these products I was in 2 minds about, and it's more so on the regards of, okay, what exactly will strike me in getting it. But then when they announced that they're doing it in 4K, I was thinking, okay, perfect, because my TVs are 4K in the house. This is the 4K Apple TV. So this is what they said: the ultimate cinematic experience. Enjoy stunning 4K HDR picture quality and immersive. You know, I love something immersive. Dolby Atmos sound. So there is the Apple TV, of course, Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Disney Plus, Prime Video, YouTube, and obviously many more. Then it also says that you can pair your wireless HomePod with surround sound. So we online, baby. And then I can also pair it with my AirPods, and I can also AirPlay from my iPhone or iPad. I've been doing a lot of AirPlay recently as well on my TV when I want to work from like my bed, and it's been super cool. So Yeah, I remember seeing quite a lot of reviews and they were really impressed about the new remote that came with the Apple TV. And I must say, this is very, very nice to hold. This is very, very nice to hold. And then it has the buttons, share playing stuff. Oh, you can speak to it on the side. I'm guessing you just hold the button and then you say Siri, play whatever. It has the mute button, press and play, the volume, you can go back and all that good stuff. So this is really cool. And obviously you have the actual 4K Apple TV. And this is something you'll connect, I believe. I love how compact this is as well. I love how they really take care of just how they package things. Okay, so it comes with like the, you know, the wires and stuff and the power adapter and everything, which is cool. Then it also comes with, another USB. So I'm guessing, is this to charge? Okay, this is probably to charge the remote, most likely. So that's really cool. I will probably also use this to charge other things. Yeah, this is cool. And then obviously it comes with the stickers. So I'm really happy about that. So yeah, so that is pretty much it for the 4K TV. And I can also use Apple Arcade on it, which is something that I'm really excited to do and show you guys as well, because I want to definitely show you guys the breadth of what Apple Arcade is. I want to see if I'm able to stream from here as well, so stay tuned for more content on that. Like I said, make sure you guys are subscribed to the gang, because it will be more content. Okay, so next on the list, the AirPods Max. So gather around, kids. We have a sad story to tell. So obviously I had the OG AirPods, and long story short, it fell in the water. Rest in peace, AirPods. Anyways, so I have been contemplating again, going back and forth, like, okay, should I just get the Pros or should I just go ahead and get the newest? I was just like, man, why not just go for the AirPods Max, right? And I was thinking, okay, Steph, are you gonna go pay £500 for an AirPods Max when you can just get the Pros? And I was just like, knowing me, I'm quite extra. Like, if I see something that's super new, I would go get what's super new. I wanna try and test this playing games on the go, trying to see if this works on, you know, PC gaming, console gaming. So why not try and use the AirPods Max and do it? And this is going to be amazing when I'm going to the gym and just doing my daily travels, you know. So I asked for the blue one. Blue is my favorite color. Obviously you have the AirPods Max. This feels really sturdy. Obviously it comes with a bag, it comes with all the, you know, the little cases. Then it also comes with the USB to charge it and everything. There's the famous thing is about the noise control. You can set the volume of the noise control. It can have like noise cancellation. There's sleep mode. Obviously you can use Siri. I'm very much excited to just test out the noise cancellation, to be honest. I want to feel like I'm in my own world. That's what it's like with gaming. So that's what I'm excited to try out. Okay, so what is actually next? Baby, we have the Magic Keyboard, the iPad Magic Keyboard, and then we have the newest iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th generation, 1 terabyte. Guys, 1 flipping terabyte. This ain't no 500, no. This is 1 terabyte. I specifically asked that all my products have cellular data because I'm always on the go somewhere. So it is fantastic. And I'm super excited to try this Magic Keyboard. So the current iPad that I have is the iPad Pro. And this came out in 2019-18. That's the one that I have. So I'm definitely gonna be doing a comparison with the newest iPad as opposed to my current one. And from what we've seen, it is a powerful beast. And I'm super excited to actually just get into it. Look at it. It's like, it's huge. It is so huge. You know, I actually want to try and draw on this. The games I'm going to be playing with this on the go is going to be insane. And I'm going to see if I can try and stream from this as well. But I'm really excited to get into just checking out what most I can do with this. You know me, I'm always going to try and do the most, and I'm going to show you guys what more I can do with this, especially from a gamer's perspective. iPads are the underrated Apple products. I'm always going to say this. It has the best battery life and everyone uses it. My mum uses it, my sister uses hers, My brother uses it. It's amazing. So I'm definitely gonna see what this keyboard is saying and how well it works. And last but not least, the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this is the 512 gig. This is I got this in Pacific Blue. No, it comes with a USB-C, comes with the lightning cable, and the power adapter and headphones are sold separately. I want to make sure that when I'm doing mobile content, mobile gaming, and all that good stuff, I have the best phone out. And you already know what the vibes are when it comes to iPhones, their camera quality. Ugh. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram before you get all that good stuff. But I definitely want to test out what more I can do with this phone, especially from, again, a gamer's perspective, and how I can really adapt this to my life. So I'm very excited to get into grips with this. I currently have the 11 Pro Max. I'm excited. So that is all for now, folks. Make sure you guys are following me everywhere. Make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel, keeping up to date with all the good stuff. Once again, thank you so much to Apple for believing in me, for, you know, allowing me to review your products. Guys, we have so much on the way with Apple. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. And again, I'm just so flipping grateful. Like, if you don't shoot your shot, like, you're not gonna get to where you want to get to. Again, I'm just looking at the products. I'm just like, Steph, how did we get here? But like I said to you guys, I'm going to be doing more tech stuff on this channel, and I'm so freaking excited. I love tech, trust me. Being a gamer in particular, there's so much tech that is out there, and just technology is always evolving. But I will make sure that the tech reviews and the tech content that I provide for you are relatable, easy, digestible, and just cool, you know what I'm saying? There's going to be more videos on each of these products, as I'm going to be using them for more gaming stuff and more lifestyle stuff. If there's anything you want to see specifically, let me know in the comment section down below. Listen, I'm just looking around. I need to focus on closing this video. Like I said, thank you so much to Apple for this opportunity. Like, I am in so much awe right now. And like I said, guys, if you want something, go get it. Literally, if you want to work with that brand, go freaking get it, okay? Go freaking get it. Tell them, say to yourself, impact over numbers, baby. I hope you guys support. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You already know it's NNESAGA for the world and back. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.